With Meta's workplace shutting down, many businesses are evaluating alternatives like Workvivo. However, if you are seeking a platform that truly prioritizes ease of use, flexibility, and a mobile-first approach, I've got a better choice for you. I'm going to show you. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel, where I promise practical advice to build your brand. Today, I'll show you why Connecteam isn't just another option, it is the smarter option over Workvivo. Connecteam is today's sponsor, but I'll demonstrate exactly why its features and usability make it the ideal platform for your team. Let's start with the most common challenge, communication. Connecteam centralizes communication, so you're not bouncing between apps like WhatsApp or Slack. I'm going to show you. Let's talk first about updates. This is like Connecteam's news feed. This is how it looks on the admin dashboard from the desktop, but I'm going to pop over to the mobile now so you can see it from the employee standpoint. On the updates tab, it looks like this. But where you really see this come together is if I click on the feed icon where I have my shortcuts as well as all of those updates plus announcements, important news for the entire team, all in real time. I should also note that as opposed to Facebook's algorithm, each post that is published will appear first on the feed, which is really handy for a work context. And the very best part is that you'll be able to see the analytics attached to this, who sees it, who engages with it, who comments and reacts. All of that is available for you to consume as the admin on the dashboard. Now, speaking of communication, let's hop over to chat, as you might be using and paying for separate apps like Slack. We've got here the ability to have one-on-one conversations as well as group threads. Here's one that I just created for us to work on a specific project. All of that is in one place. Now, Workvivo does provide a mobile app, but Connecteam's experience is much more seamless given that it was built for mobile from the ground up. And here's how it looks from the admin dashboard. But make no mistake, this platform was designed for the deskless team. Communication in real time without lag or confusion in industries like retail, healthcare, logistics, where deskless workers are the backbone. Connecteam's mobile-first design really shines. Pretty much everywhere in this platform, you're always going to see how your content looks on mobile. They preview it here on the right-hand side. I opened up an example form, and you're getting a flavor here of all the different templates that I can choose from. Even if it's not perfect, it's such a great starting point. Again, the end goal here is to give my employee everything they need without the complicated desktop-first features that Workvivo sometimes prioritizes. While Workvivo offers mobile capabilities, Connecteam was built from the ground up with a mobile-first approach. You can see it here, making it far more intuitive for deskless teams. Easily access all the tools you need. I'll click on Time Clock as an example. Here I could begin my shift with a single click. Now I'm on the clock. I can click in the bottom left to start my break, or I could end the shift and we could see that shift at a glance. And with location tracking on, it means that my location will be tracked, clocking in and clocking out. And there's my shift at a glance. Connecteam consolidates all the essential tools that you need as a business into one platform, making it more than just a communication hub. While Workvivo focuses primarily on social engagement and communications, Connecteam provides additional functionality like time tracking, scheduling, task management, and a knowledge base for easy access to resources. As an example, I showed you how the time clock looked a moment ago. Let's now look at job scheduling, so I'll select that option from the menu. Here I can see my shifts at a glance. I can click into one to get the specifics on it, the date, the time, the location, attachments if I want, additional notes if I need to leave one. Wait, let me go back to that for a second. You can actually upload a photo if you want and attach it. I can click that chat button to speak to my administrator. I even have the option to find a replacement. No need for back and forth email chains, getting lost in translation. I can single click send a request and it will go to find my replacement. We're looking at shift details here. I'll go ahead and confirm this shift. And that will bring us back to the time clock, which we saw a moment ago. If I want, I can click timesheet, and here I get a tracked version of all my shifts. Once again, organized and so easy to keep track of. Hopping back over to the admin view, where I can assign shifts. And not doing so manually, I can literally save and load from a previous template with a single click. Assign shifts, set deadlines, track employee hours, all in one app. Workvivo lacks these features natively, often requiring integrations that can slow down the workflow. In Connecteam, everything is built in, which makes this faster and more efficient. Another awesome feature built into Connecteam that I know you're going to love is the knowledge base. In this case, I'm using it for onboarding. Let me show you an example. This allows you to store training materials, policy documents, company resources all in one place. This allows you to store company documents, work policies, and anything else all in one place. This is not something Workvivo currently provides, but it's something Connecteam offers seamlessly, as you can see here. Connecteam's user-friendly interface is designed for simplicity and functionality, ensuring that every team member with limited tech experience can navigate this easily. Workvivo, while feature-rich, can feel more complex and overwhelming, especially for new users. For companies where ease of use is essential, Connecteam's streamlined layout really reduces the learning curve significantly. Once again, we can always, in Connecteam, see this mobile view, so we never have to be left wondering what our employee sees. Again, there is no learning curve. Whether you're handling onboarding, managing daily tasks, creating an equipment sign-out form like this, Connecteam's simplicity shines, definitely making it a better choice over Workvivo for teams that prioritize efficiency without complexity. Connecteam offers flexible pricing plans that cater to businesses of all different sizes, providing excellent value without compromising on features. While Workvivo has a strong focus on enterprise-level clients, Connecteam provides plans that work equally well for small businesses, offering powerful features without the enterprise price tag. It's true, Connecteam's free plan for small teams and affordable upgrades for larger teams gives it an edge, especially for SMBs looking to keep costs down. I also really appreciate the transparency and affordability of Connecteam's pricing model. It makes this an accessible choice for businesses of all scales. For industries where security and compliance are critical, Connecteam offers enterprise-grade features like single sign-on, SSO, two-factor authentication, and compliance tracking that are easy to manage from any device. Now, Workvivo has good security measures, but Connecteam's are better, and I'm going to show you. Connecteam allows compliance tracking, so that's really across different features. Specifically for companies in regulated industries, this is great. Healthcare, finance, you can monitor and meet necessary protocols directly within the app. Also here under security, we've got two-factor authentication if we want it. That's an option, as well as some other more advanced security settings specific for your type of business. There's also single sign-on, SSO, which integrates with these popular partners, Azure, Google, and more. So this makes Connecteam a really strong contender in industries where data protection is paramount. And there you have it, a clear comparison showing why Connecteam stands out as the better choice over Workvivo. It's all-in-one mobile-first platform designed with your team's needs in mind. You're gonna love it. I'm linking to everything that you need below to get started with your free trial. Remember, Connecteam is free for teams up to 10 employees, and if your team is bigger than that, you can get started with a free trial, no credit card required, and experience the difference that it makes for your business. If you've got any lingering questions, comment below. Let's keep the conversation going on down there. Respond to those personally. And if you enjoy this video, give it a like. That helps other people discover these videos, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. Thank you, Connecteam, for sponsoring this video. Next, I'm sharing a few others that I think you'll be interested in. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching. Those coming up next.